You wanna play? Huh? We're sitting here. Josh is messing with Leon, King Leon again, better known as Pookie around here. And he's got an Oreo box. And he, this late at night, he doesn't seem to like sweets. So here we go. Okay. What is it, babe? Okay.
You don't like sweets this late, do you, Pookie? Bad for you, aren't they?
Okay, he's gonna eat the box now. Leon. Leon. Come back to me. Leon. Give me that. Give me that.
Oh my God. Jump.
Good gosh. Watch out, Jaja. He'll get you. Oh, God. He's gonna bite my camera. We just got some new treats. Got some new treats for Pookie and Gracie May.
It's blueberry, it's maple.
What kind is that, too?
Maple bacon and blueberry.
Okay.
Should I give him a whole one? Or half?
Give him a whole one.
A whole one?
Spin. Spin.
Up.
He's still spinning. Give Gracie May one first. Get her out of the way. Sit. Good boy. He's just gonna.
They're all coming for a
Yeah, I
treat.
know it.
What do you want, Jaja? Huh?
Make her shake.
What do you want? Shake. Shake. Good girl. Here. Hey.
Oh, baby. There he is. Oh, look, he's sitting up. He's sitting up. Oh, my gosh. Look. Good boy. Give it to him, baby.
Boy. Good boy. He did it, didn't he?
Yeah, he did. How about Chloe?
Chloe?
You can tell Chloe
Want a
one.
treat? There you go.
Ooh.
Yum. Yum.
Do you like that, Jaja? Hmm? You like it, Jaja? Hmm? You like it, Chloe? Hey! What'd he bark for? Because he seen me with his camera? Look. He sees me coming with the camera. Watch it.
It's just two cameras, though. Oh man, he's gonna get you.
Oh God. It's recording.
Because he's cute. He's video.
Okay.
Stop. You're stressing him out.
He's going to bite your cell phone.
Stop, Cody. Stop. Sit. Good boy. He's so good. Hey, release. Release. Sit. Cody, stop. Sit. Stop. I'm trying to get him to sit.
Give that puppy his plate.
Good boy. He's sad.
He's getting fat. We're going to have to quit feeding him.
He's getting so fat. Hey.